Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vic and today we are going to be reacting to CLC's newest single called Helicopter. Yes, I do not know about this song or like any concept, like teasers or anything, but I'm just gonna guess. I feel like it might be like a girl crush, like always a girl crush. Like military song? I have no idea. The concept might be like a military, but I'm curious on like what kind of sound this will be. I did see that they teased it on Jugan Idol, Weekly Idol, but I did not watch it, so I have no idea how it might sound. So yeah, I am really curious. I'm really excited. I really love CLC's songs. Like they're really good. So I'm excited to see what kind of song this will be. Yeah, but before we get started, CLC is a 7-member group under Cube Entertainment, and I found out about them during like their black dress era through my K-pop dance team in my college. And I didn't know about them. I did know about them, but I wasn't really into them. And then when they had Black Dress, I really loved that song. And after that, like I got really interested in them. And so yeah, I would say the only members that I really know is Hyeon and Sorn. Sorn because like she does YouTube and like she's friends of like what my favorite artists and stuff like that. So and Seungyeon because she's such a good dancer. I know the other members' faces, but I don't really know their names. So yeah, but either way, they're really talented and I think they're really good. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what kind of song this will be. So without further ado, let's get into it. Oh. Dang. Their outfits though. Ooh. Like a dark concept? Ooh. Whoa. Military, yes, I was right. Oh my god, Sam looks so good. Hey, oh my god, her blue hair. Hey. She's good. Dang, she's so pretty. She's so pretty too. Whoa. Yes, girl. Freaking love her. This music is really good. Hey. Ooh. Oof. Yes, girl. Sorry. Yes. I really like this. Whoa. Wow, so pretty. Hey. She's so pretty. Woof. So girl crush, oh my gosh. Hey. Wow. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Hey. Wow. I love this. Hey, girl. Wow! Yes. Or yes. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, so we just finished watching the music video and I knew it. I knew it was going to be like military concept. Obviously it wasn't like fully military, but like this and like the uniform, like outfit and stuff like that. Like, oh, love it. I love it so much. This was so girl crush and like, oh, it was just so good. Like, guys, like these girls are like always killing me, always. I really liked how they added that helicopter sound in the instrumental. It really obviously shows that it's a helicopter. But their outfit, the dance, and it was just like the hand motion for like the helicopter thing, that was so creative. And I don't know, everything about this is just so good and so good. I love it. They looked amazing in those dresses and like their makeup, everything beautiful. They looked so beautiful. And yeah, the whole song was pretty like bad girl, like girl crush, like yeah. So yeah, I really like it. Oh my god, this was so good. I don't know what else to talk about it because like overall it was just like really like army, like, and like the dance was just very like impacting and just like, oh, they just look so good. And one thing I do want to say about CLC and the reason why I do like them is that their bodies look really healthy and fit. It's not like the typical like skinny, like, ooh, I'm pretty because I'm skinny. It's not like that. They look like fit and like healthy. And obviously they are like pretty skinny, but the thing is like at least they have muscle and stuff, so it's like it's more comfortable to watch. And that's another reason why I really like them, because they look healthy, and honestly that's beautiful. I'm not saying like skinny people are like, you know, but like to me, like I think having like that kind of like body figure is so much more like comfortable to look at, and makes the moves and the dance just like very powerful and girl crush worthy, I would say. But still overall so good, just beautiful. And yeah, so overall I really like this song. The concept, everything, it suits them so well. Like they're so girl crush, I love it. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below who your CLC bias is and what you thought about this song. And also follow me on Instagram, just get updated with me, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, please stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!